Hello, good morning, all of you. I'm Poonam Raghuvanshi. Today I'm going to explain the what is clinical data analyst. So first of all, we have to understand what is the clinical data. Data means information and clinical means it is related to health. So clinical data means health related information about the patient that is collected during regular care or as part of the clinical trials. So in clinical trial, that lots of clinical data is generated. So clinical data is the part of clinical research which aims to generate reliable, high quality data from clinical trial. And clinical data can be from different domains like a patient diagnostic information, demographic information, exposure information means which drug we have given, and laboratory test information, family relationship, family history, patient disease registries, health survey, and clinical drug they have taken, that information related to patient, or we can say the information related to the drug, whatever given to the subject. So this process is very crucial across various industry. That clinical, it is specialized in clinical like a healthcare and contract research organization also, that is completely based on that the clinical trial data. So now I'm coming back to what is clinical data analyst. What is clinical trial analyst? The clinical data analysts play a crucial role in managing, analyzing, and interpreting the clinical data in support, research, clinical trials, and healthcare for decision making. So as I told you, this process is very crucial across in various industries, and managing data refer to the process of organizing, storing, protecting, and utilizing the data in different way that ensure it is accessible, reliable, and useful for the decision making. So in term of the aspect of data management, so here a lot of um, things are involved, like a data collection. We have to collect the raw data from different sources, and like a patient survey data, laboratory test data, and we have to follow the standardization for ensuring that data is collected in uniform and consistent format to facilitate the accurate analysis later. Data storage, so we have different like tools is there and data warehouse is there, so the data is coming from different sources. Data cleaning, and also it known as a data scrubbing, it remove the errors, and data transformation, converting the data in standard format, and data security, data privacy, and data backup and recovery. So these are the and also like a data integration, like a merging data, whatever data we are getting for different sources, the data is merging on same platform. So that is data integration. Once all things are done, post that data analysis start. So in terms of the data analysis starting, there's multiple tool is used, like a SAS software, R software for statistic analysis, sometimes Excel also for dataset mapping and dataset specification creation. And that Pinnacle tool is there, LSH Life Science Data Hub. That is like a warehouse of clinical data, and also for data visualization, Tableau and Power BI. And whenever like a data processes is going on, like a data programming and report generation, that time, and dashboard creation, that time we are using the SDM, Adam, and Tableau. So multiple tool is included in data analyst. Lots of key responsibility of clinical data analyst, like a collaboration with other team in for like it is working closely with the clinical researcher, project manager, and healthcare professional to understand study protocol and ensure data align with the research goal. Also, continuous improvement and training. It is very, very important because like in that improving the process and stay updated. For that, they are providing the regular training for improving the data collection, analysis, reporting processes to enhance the efficacy and effectiveness of the clinical research. And here ethic and confidentiality is there. So ensuring all data is handled in a way that maintain patient confidentiality and adhere to the ethical standard in clinical research. For that, there is a some guideline, ICH guideline, and that we should be very, very strict with that guidelines. And whenever you are working with clinical data analyst, there's some other guideline also, based on the project to project, also SDTM and ADAM, and other guideline also. You have to be very, very strict with that guidelines. And data reporting, data documentation, and data collection and visualization, presentation. In terms of the data reporting and documentation, so here for the submission of the US FDA, so by the for submission of the US FDA, that is a regulatory submission, by creating data set and summaries and detailed report, and we have to submit the report in a proper method, and after the data analysis. And for the data visualization, data presentation, designing the graph, chart, and visual tool to present the complex clinical data in a clear and comprehensible format. And apart from that, there's a technical and for this process, like a clinical trial support, clinical data interpretation, and data collection and data management, and ensuring the data quality and compliance. There's a multiple tool is included in that. For example, technical and software expertise, you should know the SAS software, you should know Excel, and you should know the PPT. And apart from that, you should know the basic concept about the data analysis and data, how to handle the data, how to monitor your data, and for how to follow the guideline, and what is your protocol, what is the SAP. So multiple thing you should know. Apart from that, like a tools, just I told you, right? For data visualization, you should know the Tableau or Power BI. For data analysis, you should know the SAS. Yes, there is another tool also, R and Python is there. So first of all, I will recommend you have to know the SAS. Post that, once you are experienced in market and 5 year and 2 year, then you have to update yourself with Python or R. If for your project it is needed, so company will provide you internal training. So no need to go for multiple tool. You have to be master in one tool. Once you know that your tool, then it will be very easy to enter in industry. So post this course, right? Or post if you know the a basic process, and if you have completed the clinical data analyst course, where you will apply for job. So there's a multiple job opportunity in different domain, like ITs, healthcare, CRO. So like a clinical data analyst and clinical data manager, and